Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather your essential tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now, let's get to removing the old unit. Use your serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets and carefully maneuver it out of the engine bay. With the old alternator out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets and hand-tighten the bolts. Reconnect all electrical wiring, ensuring each connection is secure and tight. Double-check that the main power wire is firmly attached. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, ensuring it's properly seated before releasing the tensioner. After reconnecting the battery, start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery light should turn off, indicating the new alternator is charging correctly. You can also use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. If everything looks good, you're all set. For more great deals and the link to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.